Hello everyone, in this video I want to talk about your hand position when you cutting the hair. The first one is cutting top of the guide. In this technique, usually you holding and sliding hair horizontally. As you see, I part the hair horizontally. And here, if you want your guide, I'm cutting the first section. Okay, let's say here. For the second section, when you see the guide here, you moved your finger, and when you see the guide, you cutting top of your finger. So when you see the guide, you cutting top of your finger. The next one, you cutting your guide under your guide. So let's say when you're cutting the hair, here, the next section, when you section the hair, and here you see the guide, you cutting under your finger. The next technique usually, and the second one also, it was the section horizontally. The next technique is, it calls palm to palm. We use it when we hold the hair vertically or diagonally. So as you see, now I am using like this way, and both of my hands palm facing together. This technique calls palm to palm. So now my guide is inside my hand. That's why it calls palm to palm. And also sometimes you can use the technique of palm to palm for horizontal too. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on my next video.